got, I think it's 5 weeks till Olympus comes up.
To rebuild the car again.
We got to rebuild the motor, and we have to rebuild all this damage, so it's gonna be fun.
Rally car, baby. Typical rally car.
All right, so we just got the car loaded up from Craig's Automotive with the bodywork, and now we're gonna head out and put a motor back in it. Kind of a last minute re-prep from Show Me Rally where we lost an engine and put the car off. God damn it! We're off to Olympus, testing tomorrow, and then recce Friday, rally Saturday, Sunday. It's actually going to be the longest rally of the season, so it'll be a true attrition. Short left 650 through Junction. So we are at the Olympus test day. We're in the shop Raptor truck. Right now we're doing our second pass of notes. So Matt's gonna call back my notes to me and make sure they're good to go. Then we'll go jump in the rally car and do some hot laps. So
River Crest 20, right 4 late hog.
staying cool, power's good.
Go for a ride. Jeff Seehorn.
He's gonna be ready when we're gonna go out. You ready? You're tight? Like tight. Like you can't move, you're up at all. Okay.
Okay.
Let's do it. 5, 4, 3.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rally.
4 plus off camber. This is a right something over, there's a distance into a right 4. It's something, and this is left 4 plus over crest. Oh, this is a right 3. Wait, where do you lay it on that one, Dan? Where are my notes, Dan?
First time in a rally car. The road's a lot tighter than I was expecting.
This is the finish right here. That's a rally stage.
That was awesome. So just getting used to how fast you can decelerate and turn the car. Fantastic.
Hopefully we're not rolling to the woods.
Pierre Horn's going out with Jeff Horn. No more shop battles after this.
I love it. I have like huge respect for the drivers because what they do with the cars and like roads, like I mean you saw the road. It's like a little tiny driveway, and they throw that thing through there like crazy. It's impressive, and like the biggest respect to those guys.
It's Friday night, Tuesday taco night, street tacos.
Streets.
So he's limited to 45 minutes of screen time a day, and he just got back from service, so he's getting his screen time in before he has to go to bed.
On a scale of 1 to 13, how would you rate the car?
Look, they have RX-3.
On a scale of 1 to 13, how would you rate the appearance level of Jeff Seehorn's rally car?
The penis level?
No.
We messed up some cables, messed up the brakes.
But we had all the fixing before you showed up, so you didn't even know that.
We almost,
We're really good at
yeah,
that.
we almost lit it on fire because Dan
Twice.
spilled twice. Dan spilled a lot of fuel and I was smoking like always.
Only in the cab. It only saturated the driver's seat. It's fine.
And then I had to poop really hard, so I poured it into his seat.
He needs more fiber in his diet. We figured that out.
Yeah.
So stay away from open flames, Jeff. You'll be fine.
So this is LeBron James' little brother, Matt James. Matt and I first sat together at the Ojibwe Rally.
All right, have fun, be fast.
Yeah, good luck. I'll be on this side.
I'll be over here.
And we're back together for the Olympus Rally.
Jeff can't get enough of me, so I can't blame him. It is what it is. And no, I'm glad to be back here, sitting with these guys and in Washington.
We had a great recce today. Matt and I took some good notes, and we're gonna go and review those notes tonight.
Right 4 minus late hug.
One big crucial part of recce is consistency, and Jeff has done a really good job with that. Now it's just going over the video and fine-tuning everything, seeing if we can find some more speed elsewhere, and then just building his confidence as well with what I'm going to say tomorrow with him.
Right and left 5 into right 5. 50.
3, 2, 1, go. There's no grip, so we're just kind of
I
battling.
think the f***ing knuckle thing it came loose and popped out.
I can't f***ing see.
Opens,
Like,
turn it, turn it, turn it. 50.
ah!